So hey guys, if you are facing this problem in your iPhone while installing the Scarlet app, then this video is for you. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem in your iPhone. So let's start the video. Firstly, go and delete the app you have downloaded. Then go to the description of this video below and follow these steps. Firstly, you have to click on the first link. That is the link of a DNS that you have to install in your iPhone before installing the ESign app. After clicking on the first link, you will get this pop-up in your iPhone. Click on Allow. Click on Close. Then open the Settings app. There you will find on the top Profile Downloaded. Open it and click on the top right corner Install. After that, you have to enter your passcode. Then you will get this page and you have to click on Install again on the top right corner. Now the DNS is installed on your device successfully. Now let's move to the second step. In second step, go to the description again and click on the second link. After clicking on the second link, you will get this pop-up on your iPhone. Simply click on install. After clicking on install, the eSign app will get installed on your iPhone. But remember, if you will not set up the DNS, the eSign app will not install in your iPhone. After installing the eSign app, go to the description and download the zip file, any one from both of them. I will suggest you to download the HDFC zip file because that will work 90% of the time. After downloading the zip file, open the eSign app. Before opening the eSign app, you have to trust it by going to the settings, then general, and then VPN and device management. There you will find the HDFC Live Insurance Company. Open it and click on the trust the app. Now open the eSign app and agree the service agreement. Then you will find the three dot on top right corner. Click on that. Then click on import. Then locate the zip file you have downloaded and import that zip file in the eSign app. After importing, you have to click on that zip file and click on unzip. After clicking on unzip, you will find this folder. Open that folder and click on pass or readme.txt in text editor. There you will find the password of the P12 file. Copy that password. After copying the password, click on the .p12 file and click on Import Certificate Management. Then paste the password and click on OK. Now you have successfully installed and set up the eSign app and can take advantages of its installing the IPA file outside the App Store. Included the modified and pro versions of the apps for free. In next video, we will see how we can install the IPA files in our iPhone using eSign app. So if you found this video helpful and working, click the like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So I will see you guys in next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.